Girl, get on over here with this LuvMe hair, girl. It is hot. And I'm not just talking about the heat outside, girl. This hair is cute. Period. Let me know down in the comments how you feel. Let your girl get a like. Listen, if you want to know any of the information, hit me up, girl. LuvMe hair. Hello. Got us together. Hello, all my beautiful queens, and welcome to another video. If you are new, welcome. If you are not new, welcome back. This is your girl Joy Amor, and I am your resident fat girl. This is my channel, but your community. Hello. Okay, as you can see, we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. You guys know that I struggle with hair, but I absolutely love these these headband wigs, and I have a new headband wig for us. This one is from, can you see? Let me see. It's from LuvMe Hair. LuvMe long time. LuvMe Hair, okay? And I think that you ladies are going to enjoy this because it's a little bit different. So we opened the box. Okay, let's see what kind of goodies we have. We got our headbands galore. We got a bag with the hair. This is purple. Everything's purple. What's in here? Oh my goodness. We got edge headbands. I can't talk. Edge headbands. We got some clips. Yes, LuvMe. LuvMe. They gave me some, I guess that's for lashes, some tweezers. Girl, not pliers. My God, today. A LuvMe. We got an extra band. Got a lot of stuff. Something to help with the edges. And then, okay, they sent me a little note. Oh, wow. We got a wig cap. And tells us about the return and refund. So we got paperwork. When your wig come with paperwork, it's good wig. And it says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena from LuvMe Hair. So thank you so much, girl, for sending me over this unit. Let's go ahead and get it out and see exactly what are we working with. Be right back. Okay, so this came with a nice organza purple bag. Let's pull the hair up. Let's get our lunch lady. Let's get rid of the lunch lady. And look, something very, very, very different. Beautiful texture. No funny smells. Y'all know I hate the funny smell. And look at the movement. Look at the movement. Okay, so let's go ahead and put it on and get all of this together and see what it's working with. I'll be right back with you. Period. Hello, my beautiful queens, and welcome back. Okay, so as you can see, this is very, very different. This is a wine color, okay? It is a beautiful, deep water wave. It's absolutely gorgeous. The wig itself is of great quality. I will make sure that all the details about this specific hair will be down below in the description box. Now, let's talk about things that I like. The band is definitely good. The hair quality, touching it, there's not very much shedding at all. It is a very, very beautiful and good quality hair. I wet it just a little bit so that way it wouldn't be so puffy. I absolutely love the hair. For me, I would just leave the black band. However, they did give me several bands to try it on with. So I will definitely come back and show you it with the leopard headband. I absolutely love the color of the hair. It's a very good quality hair. I think it's a beautiful color for the winter time. Of course, as you know, I struggle with having a little bit of a wig hump. That is my fault. That has nothing to do with the headband wig. But as you know, this headband wig is for those of us like me who are not able to lay lace down. If my hair is not braided right now, okay? However, if you were to braid your hair down or get your hair braided, the hair will lay better here at the top and you won't be dealing with such a high, you know, wig hump like I do, right? So, but, you know, I will come back once I do have my hair braided and show you guys the hair without the wig hump. This is not a hair that I would make a ponytail out of or manipulate it heavily just because it's so pretty. I mean, it's a very beautiful, good texture. It's a beautiful hair and it's a very beautiful unit. I do find this color very pretty. Not everything doesn't need to be black, 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 black. But yes, I do absolutely love this. I'm going to come back just really quickly so I can show you a headband. Give me 1 second and we'll wrap this review on up. Okay, beautiful queen, welcome back. Here we are with a headband giving us lots and lots of looks. Again, this is some beautiful, beautiful, high quality hair. LuvMe Hair sent me over a very nice gift. They did want their review done relatively quickly. They didn't give me a lot of time. But I just want to let you know, LuvMe Hair, that I definitely love this hair. I do recommend going on over there to LuvMe and purchasing you this unit. Listen, I am not being paid, okay? This is a gifted unit. They did gift me this unit. But at this time, they haven't given me no coin, girl. So that means you know that if I like, I'm telling you I like it, I like it. I absolutely love it. I am going to work on getting my hair braided so that way it can lay down flatter. But again, that's me personally. This cap that LuvMe Hair sent me for this wig is a little small to me. It's a little snug. But other than that, nothing negative to say. Beautiful hair, feels great. There's no shedding, no ammonia smell, y'all, because sometimes those smells, y'all know if y'all wear a lot of units, that those smells can really make you nauseous, okay? So I don't have any funny smells. A beautiful unit, beautiful color for the fall. So let me know down in the description, look in the description box for all of your information. Let me know down in the comments your thoughts about the color and the texture of the unit. Not about me needing to lay my hair flatter, because I know that. Hello, I am not a wig expert. That's one of the good things about having a headband wig. I don't have to worry about that. So if you are a hair maven, then this is the wig for you. You know exactly how to lay it. If you are not a hair maven and you are like me, doing the best you can, girl, with what you got, then this definitely is the hair for you. Get on over there to LuvMe Hair, you guys. I think you guys are going to absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching. Listen, don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram at Miss Plus Amor. Miss Plus Amor on Instagram. Make sure that you subscribe to your girl at Joy Amor. If you like this review, girl, stick around. There's a whole playlist. I'm doing Vlogmas. I got a whole lot of stuff going on, and you need to be in the midst. But listen, I love you to the moon and back, like a fat girl loves a good snack, okay? And listen, beauty is a state of mind, not body. My mind's stuck on gorgeous. Gorgeous hairs in my mouth. What are you thinking? I want to know. Mwah. Love you. Bye.